Hello everyone, my name is Minnie Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to start mathematical economics. And today's video we will cover topics, variables, equation, root, solution, constant, coefficient and parameters. First of all, we will see what are variables. First variable, quantifiable variable. Anything which we can count in terms of number called quantifiable variable. For example, 25 students in classroom, 10 cars in parking. But which we cannot count in terms of number called non-quantifiable variable. We can describe non-quantified variable in terms of words, categories or give labels. For example, eye color, black, green, grey, and nationality, American, Indian, brand name, Samsung, Apple are example of non-quantifiable variable. Discrete variable, things that you can count in whole number. For example, either you have 2 kids or 3 kids, 2 dogs or 3 dogs, you don't have 2.5 dogs. But continue variable include any value. It also include decimals, fractions. For example, your height can 5 feet, 5.7 inches or 5.723 inches. Exogenous variable. Exo means outside, external. That means these variables are determined by factors which are external to model. In model, these variables are given, fixed, or model doesn't explain why they are changing. For example, government spending and tax rate are exogenous variable because it determined by a policy maker rather than immediate market forces within a model. Endogenous variable. Endo means within, inside. That means value of these variables determined inside the model through functional relationship. Here national income and consumption, these both are endogenous variable because their value determined by inside the model through functional relationship. But investment and government spending are exogenous variable because these variables are decided by external factors. Equation. Equations are mathematical statement which shows two expressions are equal to each other. Equations are mathematical statement which shows two expressions are equal to each other. For example, price of per apple is 2 rupees. Instead of writing a big statement, you just write in mathematical form y equal to 2x. Y is total cost, or you can say total money spent on apples. 2 is price of each apple. X is number of apple you purchase. Suppose you purchased 5 apple, then your total cost or money spent on apples become equal to 10. So we can say that equations are, means this equal sign shows left side equal to right side. So we can say that equations are mathematical statement which shows two expressions are equal to each other. Root. Equation is like a locked door, and root is only one key that can fit on it. As we know, both sides of equation are equal to each other. If you put a wrong number on equation, then both sides of equation will not become equal to each other. But when you put a root in equation, then equation actually become true. For example, 2x equal to 10. If you put 4 in place of x, then here you can see both sides of equation are not equal to each other. That means your equation is wrong. But when you put 5 in place of x, then both sides of equation become equal to each other. So we can say that 5 is our root, because if you put a root, then your equation actually become true. Why root is very important in mathematical economics? Because in economics we are looking for perfect balance. For example, we are looking for equilibrium price where demand equal to supply. Demand function, supply function at equilibrium both are equal to each other. Demand function, supply function. Minus 2p will go there, and when we solve this equation, it will become equal to 20. That means the price equal to 20. This 20 will be called our root because at this price our demand is equal to supply, or you can say that because of this price both side of equation become equal to each other. In demand equation, in place of P, we put 20, it will become equal to 60. Similar in supply equation, in place of P, we put 20, it also become equal to 60. So we can say that our root is 20. Because of this root, both side of equation become equal to each other. Now we will see constants in mathematical economics. Constant means never changes, means constants are value which stays exactly same. For example, numerical constant, if equation says 10, that means 10 is today, 10 will be tomorrow and 10 will be forever, it will remain exactly same. Fixed limit, for example, in a classroom has only 30 chair, it will remain same no matter how many students are entering or leaving. Universal constant, some number in science remain always same, for example pi equal to 3.14. We have already discussed about variables. Variables can change but constant cannot change. When you multiply constant with variable, it will become equal to coefficient. When you multiply constant with variable, it will become equal to coefficient. For example, here 4 is a constant and x is a variable. When these both are together, that means when you multiply 4 with x, then this 4 become a coefficient of x. For example, 20 is your pay per hour and which is fixed and constant. You don't know how many hours you work, that's why our h is a variable. So total pay equal to 20 into h. So here 20 is a coefficient of h. This 20 mainly tell us how much your pay grow for every hour you work. If coefficient is 30, then obviously your pay grow more. Parameters. Parameters are generally constant during specific analysis but change between different situations. For example, you set your volume 5 for entire songs, but when your favorite or new songs come on, you turn your volume up to 8. So here volume work as a parameter because parameter remain constant during specific analysis but change between different situations. For example, here x is a variable which is called number of time you eat out. 500 is coefficient fixed cost per meal. 20,000 is your rent and here your rent is parameter, but why? During a specific situation, that means when you remain in the same home, your rent will remain constant no matter how many time you are eating out. But when you move in new big house, your rent become 35,000. So here you can see this rent work as a parameter because parameter remain constant, this rent remain constant during specific analysis but change between different situation. So this is all about today's video. I think you got it and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.